The website I will be taking a look at today is IMDb. If you're not familiar with the website, it is basically an online database for movies and shows. It features any and all information you could possibly think of about a movie or show. So the front page features trailers for upcoming movies, celebrity news, and other videos concerning movies. There is also movie and show recommendations, interviews, movie and show news and updates. There is also an article about new and returning shows. If you go up to the front of the page on the side, it tells you new movies that are opening this week, as well as movies that are already currently in the theaters. If you click here, so you can basically add your location, and when you add your location, it tells you the closest movie theaters to you and what movies are playing in that theater and when the show times are. And you can also click here to buy your tickets through this website. So I personally love using this website because whenever I see someone that looks familiar from another movie, I instantly want to find out where I recognize them from. This website allows me to do that with ease, as well as any other information I want to find out about a production. So now I will bring up an example to show you the kinds of information you can find about a movie or show and how it is being presented. As you can see, when you get the page, it shows the general information about like what the movie title is, the year it was released, the genres it falls under, the movie rating, how long the movie runs for, and even user ratings. When you move a little farther down the page, you can see a small summary about the movie, where you can watch the movie, and it also shows like the beginning information about the cast and crew. When you go down even a little farther, it shows you the nominations that the movie has gotten. So if you click here, it shows you all the award nominations they have gotten, as well as what they have won. And then going back, moving past that, it gives you trailers from the movie, or even like video clips from the movie, as well as photos. And then after that, it shows you movie recommendations based on this movie because you clicked on it. And then we get to what I think is the most fun and interesting part, the cast information. So it shows you the picture and the name of the actor right next to the character that they played. And you can click on the actor's profile, and it will bring you to everything about the actor basically. So it has a little biography about them, where they are from, when they were born, and then when you go past that, it shows photos, and it shows you basically all the films and like shows they may have been, like going from the most recent to even like what they will eventually be in but has not been released yet, which is pretty cool. It also like shows if they were like a producer for something, like what they produced, they were a writer, what they wrote for. And then when you go further down the page, it shows you like trivia and quotes from that person. Now going back to the film profile, when you go past the cast information, it shows another like longer summary about the movie, as well as like filming locations of the movie, the budget for the movie compared to how much the movie actually made, as well as like trivia about the movie and quotes from the movie. So there are also categories at the top of the page besides like information about movie and shows. There's a tab for like celebrity news, and also like you can go through like news stories about like events related to movies and shows, like the Oscars and the Emmys. There's also a tab for like movie and show news that you can look through. And then if you make an account, you can also have a watch list to add everything that you want to see. So I really like how the website features everything movie and show related that you could possibly ever want to know. It is really packed with information. It can be kind of like intimidating, but I really like how it is all on one page and you don't have to scroll through multiple pages to find the information that you want. It's all right there in front of you. And honestly, this website satisfies my weird interest in trying to find out as much information as I can about a show or movie all on one website, which is super convenient.